Neet-Pg 2026 candidates from Manipur have appealed to the governor to intervene in the allocation of examination centres for postgraduate medical entrance tests scheduled for August 30th. The candidates had said several Meitei and Naga aspirants who had selected Imphal, Thoubal, Bishnupur and Kaching as their preferred centres were instead allotted Churachandpur, which was not among their choices. Citing the prevailing security situation, ongoing conflict, travel restrictions and safety concerns, the candidates said travelling to Churachandpur could pose serious difficulties and requested that they be allotted Imphal or another suitable and accessible examination centre in Manipur. A representation submitted to the governor's secretariat included a list of 29 candidates who have been allotted Churachandpur as their test city. The candidates urged prompt intervention to ensure that they can appear for the Neet-Pg examination safely.